สวัสดีค่ะดิฉันเจนตนาจากโรงเรียนสอนภาษาไทยเจนตนา and Associates ค่ะ Hello สวัสดีค่ะ I'm เจนตนา from เจนตนา and Associates Thai Language School Today I would like to talk about how to say please in Thai. You know, a lot of my students ask me, how do you say please in Thai? I just could not find the exactly word that translate please, translate to be please. So I always say to my students that we don't have a meaning of please, exactly meaning. But if you look at dictionary will say, oh, please means gàrúnaa, please means โปรดเถอะ things like that. We do not say it in normal daily life. But there are the word to replace the word please. For example, like the word ค่ะ That's polite word because please for English is polite word, like so you put ค่ะ or ค่ะ or ครับ in at the end of the sentence show the politeness. So just use a lot ค่ะ and ครับ and ค่ะ every sentence when you say you use this one, Thai people would love to hear that. And another thing that a lot of English, when someone offer you something, you are so polite. You say yes please, yes please, or yes thank you, like that. And for us, we don't. We just say ค่ะ ขอบคุณ like a yes thank you, yes please, thank you. We say ค่ะ ขอบคุณ or ครับ ขอบคุณ ขอบคุณ means thank you. That is the way. But we will use it when the questions word ไหม like someone offer you like เอา something ไหม Do you want something? Would you like to have something? So that's the one that we use ค่ะ or ครับ at the end of the sentence again. And how about if someone said to you, may I have something please? Or you would like to say to someone, say, may I have, please? So that the one is the sentence we call ขอหน่อย ขอ means ask for. หน่อย means a little bit. So when you ask for something, you don't ask a lot. You ask นิดหน่อย you ask a little bit. That's why you say ขอหน่อย which is I'm going to give you some sentence that help you. Like ขอน้ำเย็นหน่อย may I have a cold water please ขอน้ำเย็นหน่อย or you say ขอดูเมนูหน่อย ขอ means ask for, like I said to you. เมนู means menu. Do means have a look. หน่อย means little bit. So we don't say may I have a look at the menu a little bit. So we translate as English, we say may I have a look at the menu please, or we may I have a menu please. That's the way we say. But หน่อย it doesn't mean please. หน่อย means a little bit, but all together at the sentence. I have a student. She's always use หน่อย when she means please, and then one day she talked to me. I just asked her, why you always say หน่อย? I said, oh, หน่อย doesn't mean please. No, หน่อย doesn't mean please, but หน่อย always come with ขอหน่อย ขอเมนูหน่อย ขอน้ำเย็นหน่อย น้ำเย็น means cold, right? ขอน้ำเย็นหน่อยค่ะ may I have a water please? ขอดูเมนูหน่อยค่ะ may I have a look at the menu please? or ขอทางหน่อยค่ะ ทาง means way. So ขอทางหน่อยค่ะ means like you like to go through that, I like that. May I have my way please? ขอทางหน่อย may I go through please? That is the word ขอหน่อย also please. And another word, how about if someone, or if you would like to ask someone to to help you like a would you and also you have a word please like a would you do something for me please so that's one we don't say ขอหน่อย now because you do it you you ask someone to do it you didn't do by yourself that's why you ask for help so that's why we say ช่วยหน่อยช่วยหน่อยช่วย means help หน่อย means little so ช่วยหน่อย for example you say ช่วยเช็คบิลหน่อย means help me to check the bill please that's the one so ช่วยเช็คบิลหน่อย when English say you say bill pleaseเช็คบิลหน่อย and of course you put ค่ะ and ครับ at the end เช็คบิลหน่อยค่ะช่วยเช็คบิลหน่อยค่ะ either way นะช่วยเช็คบิลหน่อยค่ะ but you can cut the word ช่วย you always say ช่วยเช็คบิลหน่อย and เช็คบิลหน่อยค่ะI give you another example like if you ask someone to do something like open the door for you you say ช่วยเปิดประตูให้ดิฉัน means I for female ให้ผม I for man หน่อย you see the long sentence ช่วยเปิดประตูให้ผม or ดิฉันหน่อย so when I put the light blue there it means that Thai language a lot of time we cut the sentence we cut the word becomes very short like a ช่วยเปิดประตู so we cut the word ช่วย so just only เปิดประตูให้ผม or ให้ดิฉัน and then we don't say ผม and ดิฉัน because you know who you talk about right you will say เปิดประตูให้หน่อย see just say เปิดประตูให้หน่อยค่ะเปิดประตูให้หน่อยครับ just open the door for me please that is easy to do or not or just say help please or please help or say ช่วยหน่อยช่วยหน่อยค่ะช่วยหน่อยครับ that's another way that you can say and sometimes another way I'm sorry just go so fast right are you confused so I hope you can follow me so another word that I would like to suggest or I like to introduce you is the word ได้ไหมได้ไหม mean can so if you ask for help you will say ช่วยหน่อยได้ไหมคะช่วยหน่อยได้ไหมครับ means please can you help me ช่วยหน่อยได้ไหมคะช่วยหน่อยได้ไหมครับ so if you would like to learn more about these words like a please word there are quite a few more so you can contact me or call me directly at 081-808-5180 or you can go to my website and then I will just explain to you or you can call me okay so if you like my video just please click like and then share to your friends or subscribe in our video and then I can create more video and also you can call me to ask me if you like to so for today see you again next time สวัสดีค่ะ